Hello and welcome to Virtual RHS Chelsea. My name's Lee Connelly, the Skinny Jean Gardener, and I'm here to tell you how to get kids gardening, get them outside, enjoying whatever space you've got, because we can all be gardeners. I think that getting kids outside can be split into three categories: grow your own, wildlife, and a little bit of fun too. And here on RHS Chelsea, we're going to be going through those three subjects to get you outside gardening with the kids. Today we're talking about wildlife. I love wildlife. I think it's such a great thing to get wildlife into our gardens. Whether that be bees, frogs, or even hedgehogs, which we're talking about today, it's a great thing for our environment. And the biggest thing with wildlife is we've got to give them a home. If we want to attract these animals, attract this nature into our garden, then we need to give them a space to live and enjoy. So today we're going to be talking about hedgehogs. I love hedgehogs. Olive, do we love hedgehogs? Do we love hedgehogs?
Yeah, we love hedgehogs, but they just always poo around the garden.
Yeah, we can't say that. Olive, do we love hedgehogs?
Yeah.
What do you love about hedgehogs?
They poo around the garden.
No. Start again. Olive, do we love hedgehogs?
Yes, because I like them when they sniff all around the garden and they like going around the tunnels.
Hedgehogs are a great one to get into our garden, especially as the population is reduced in the hedgehog world. So we need to attract them into the garden, give them a place to live. Hedgehogs are great to get in the garden because they get rid of slugs. So if you've got a slug problem, maybe you're doing a bit of grow your own and they're coming along and eating your seedlings, then hedgehogs will help keep them slugs away. It's a really, really great way to get rid of them. There's a few different things that we can do to attract hedgehogs into the garden. The biggest one has to be giving them a home, somewhere to live. And this is so simple to do. All you're going to need for this is you're going to need a storage box, a craft knife. You're also going to need some logs and some leaves and some twigs as well. I love this one because it provides two different activities in one garden and make. So on the first day, you can go to your local woodland or search the garden for things like twigs, bark, leaves, bits of grass that can create your hedgehog home. And then on the second day, you can actually get out there and create it. What?
Or sticks or wood.
Or sticks or wood, yep. So then with your storage box, now it doesn't matter too much the size of it, but you know, a medium sized box is obviously better, and the bigger the better. We want to make a 5-star hedgehog home. You need to then flip that box upside down and cut a 15cm hole in the front. Now that is the entrance to your hedgehog house. Then you need to put a few air vents in the side of the hedgehog home. This just makes it really well ventilated for the hedgehog. We don't want to get too damp inside their home. And then I always ask children, would they like a hedgehog to decorate their bedroom? Olive, would you like a hedgehog to decorate your bedroom? No. Well, I wouldn't want a hedgehog to decorate my bedroom either, and nor do they. A hedgehog, would you let a hedgehog decorate your bedroom?
What does that even mean? Like, there was a hedgehog in your, I didn't know they decorate.
Yeah, would you let a hedgehog come in and decorate your bedroom?
No, it would just be messy.
It would be messy, you're right. And I wouldn't want a hedgehog decorating my room either. So what we need to do is put loads of twigs and leaves outside the hedgehog home for them to come along and make their own bedroom. Now the best place to put our hedgehog home is along a fence line, because that is where they always walk up and down. They feel nice and safe along there. If you've created a home, it's going to welcome them in. Welcome, hedgehogs to the garden. Another great thing to do is create a hedgehog highway. Now for this one, you've got to be really friendly with your neighbours. And then you cut a 15cm by 15cm hole into the fence to make it really nice and easy for them to get between the garden. Now this is called a hedgehog highway, and as many of your neighbours you can get creating this hedgehog highway, the easier it is for the hedgehogs to get about. Anything we can do to make it easier for them to get between the gardens and giving them a place to live is great. You can also get hedgehog food that you can put out each night to attract the hedgehogs in. We always get two hungry hedgehogs coming along into our garden. And since we've opened up the hedgehog highway, they've welcomed themselves in pretty much every night. So there we have it. If you want to attract hedgehogs into your garden, it couldn't be easier. I'd love this week to see your hedgehog home, your hedgehog highway. So hit me up on the social medias at Skinny Jean Gardener today. Have a great week, and I shall speak to you very soon for yet another How to Get Kids Gardening with me, the Skinny Jean Gardener.